In my hand right here is the Surface Pro 7, and it came in for a no power data recovery. Not sure if you can see it here, but the user messed up the screen completely. But hey, they made my life easier trying to disassemble this thing by breaking it themselves. I put the charger in and it seems to be taking a charge, but that's not always. On the 7 model here, there's a charger indicator. That means there's power coming into the back. All right, we're not getting any signs of life on this one at all. Let's disassemble and check out the motherboard. And yes, this thing also has funny shields that you can't put back on. With my thermal cam here, it seems like this thing has no power connected to it at all, which is very strange. So there must be a blown fuse or a big short somewhere. So let's take out the multi. After a crazy amount of looking, I found a shorted circuit right here. Let's try to inject some power and see where this is leading. Forget about what I found over here. I found that this inductor here is shorted, so I'm injecting power here and it's drawing a lot of amps. However, on my thermal cam I see a heat spot, but the heat spot is like right here and nothing here is hot. It's should be on the back of this board, so I'm kind of confused with this board right now. Just to eliminate any glare or anything, once I turn off the power supply, that heat spot is gone. We go and we turn that power supply on, and boom, heat spot. Over here, there's nothing but a connector and this one little capacitor right there. So it could be the Wi-Fi chip. I'm gonna take this thing apart. Got this motherboard out here, and yeah, for sure. I think that there is a capacitor here, or this component here is shorted out. Let's remove it. So I removed that cap from over there, and the short is gone. I'm gonna put this thing back together and test. And I tried to turn it on here, and we got it. The screen is messed up, but you know, we're gonna have to get a new screen to be able to use this and recover the data. That's good news. And right here, the signature is 100% good, and it seems like Windows loaded up. We're done with the repair process. The customer wants it just like this. They're going to attach an external monitor and pull out their data. They don't want it repaired, and they're gonna sell it after they take out their data as a broken system. But we did fix the no power issue here, and the screen turns on, so that's perfect.